English with Class, the podcast where we make English fun, easy, and totally doable. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. And if you're here for the first time, welcome to the Juragan English Channel family. You made an awesome choice today.
We are so excited about this episode, Jake. I actually practiced what I'm about to teach before recording.
Wait, seriously? You practiced?
Yes, because today's topic is literally one of the most important things in English. And honestly, in life.
Okay. Don't keep them waiting. What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about how to introduce yourself in English. With confidence.
Yes, this is the one. I remember when I first had to introduce myself in English at a new job. I blanked out completely, like my brain just left the building.
Oh no, what happened?
I literally said, hi, I am Jake. I am a person. And everyone just stared at me.
A person. That's the introduction. It was rough. But hey, that's exactly why this episode exists. So nobody has to suffer like I did.
Exactly. So whether you're meeting someone new, starting a job, joining a class, or even going to a party, this episode is for you.
Okay, Jake, let's talk about why introducing yourself is actually so important.
Right? Think about it. Your introduction is like the cover of a book. People decide in the first few seconds whether they want to keep reading or just put the book down.
Ooh, I love that metaphor. And in English, the way you introduce yourself shows your personality, your confidence, and your communication skills all at once.
And the good news? It's a skill. You can learn it, practice it, and get better every single time.
Absolutely. So let's break it down. First, what does a great self-introduction in English actually include?
Great question. A solid introduction has 3 parts: who you are, what you do, and one interesting thing about you.
Yes. And that last part, the interesting thing, that's the secret weapon most people forget.
It's what makes you memorable, not just, hi, I'm Jake, but hi, I'm Jake, and I once got lost in Tokyo for 3 hours because I was following a cat.
That really happened?
It absolutely happened, and people never forget that story.
All right, let's get into our vocabulary breakdown. These are the key words and phrases you need for a confident self-introduction.
Let's go.
Number 1. My name is... This is your foundation. Simple. Clear. My name is Anna. Or you can say, I go by Anna, which sounds a little more casual and cool.
Number 2. I'm originally from... This tells people where you're from. I'm originally from Bandung, but I live in Jakarta now. See how that gives more information?
Love it. Number 3. I work as a... Or I'm a student at... This tells people what you do. I work as a graphic designer, or I'm a student at Universitas Indonesia.
Number 4. I'm passionate about... Oh, this one is powerful. It shows your energy and interests. I'm passionate about learning new languages and traveling.
Yes. Number 5. Nice to meet you. Classic, but essential. And you can also say, it's great to meet you. Or, so glad we finally connected.
Number 6. Feel free to call me. Use this if you have a nickname. My full name is Mohammed Rizki, but feel free to call me Rizki.
Number 7. I'm looking forward to... Great for professional settings. I'm looking forward to working with this amazing team.
And number 8. Fun fact about me. This is your secret weapon. Fun fact about me. I can eat a whole bowl of mie ayam in under 2 minutes.
Jake, that's very specific.
It's a talent, Anna. A talent.
Okay. Now let's talk about 3 practical tips to introduce yourself with real confidence.
Tip number 1. Smile and make eye contact. I know this sounds basic, but it changes everything. When you smile, people feel comfortable around you. And eye contact says, I'm confident, I'm present, I care about this conversation.
Think of it like this: your face is your welcome sign. If your sign looks warm and inviting, people want to come in. If it looks closed, they walk past.
Exactly. Tip number 2. Speak slowly and clearly. This is so important, especially for English learners. You don't need to speak fast to sound confident. In fact, speaking a little slower makes you sound more confident, not less.
Yes, slow is smooth, and smooth is confident. If you rush your words, people might miss important things, like your name.
And tip number 3. Prepare a go-to introduction. Have a short, 30-second introduction ready in your head. Practice it. Know it by heart. So when the moment comes, it flows naturally, like your brain is on autopilot.
Think of it like a highlight reel. Your best moments, your key info, packaged in 30 seconds. Easy, clean, memorable.
Okay, here comes the part we love most. Your challenge for this week.
Yes. This week, I want you to write your own 30-second self-introduction in English. Use the vocabulary we taught today. Your name, where you're from, what you do, and one fun fact.
Then, and this is the brave part, record yourself saying it. Just on your phone. No audience. Just you.
Watch it back. Notice your smile, your eye contact, your pace. Fix what you want to fix. Then do it again.
And if you're feeling extra brave, drop your introduction in the comments below. We read every single one and we love cheering you on.
All right, let's do a quick recap of today's episode.
We talked about why introducing yourself matters. It's your cover, your first impression, your highlight reel.
We learned 8 key vocabulary words and phrases, from "my name is" to "fun fact about me."
We covered 3 powerful tips: smile and eye contact, speak slowly and clearly, and prepare your go-to intro.
And your challenge this week is to write and record your own 30-second English introduction.
Before we go, if this episode helped you even a little bit, please hit that like button. It helps more people find us.
And if you're not subscribed yet to Juragan English Channel, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
We drop new content every week, and trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next.
Also, share this episode with a friend who needs a confidence boost in English. Be their English hero today.
Remember this: every expert was once a beginner. Every confident speaker was once someone who was scared. The only difference? They kept going.
So keep showing up, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. You are more capable than you think.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling every single beautiful day.
You got this. See you next time on Juragan English Channel.